My parents, they fled Vietnam in 1978. When they left, my grandparents told them, when you have kids, name them Vietnam, so that way you'll never forget your country. They ended up on this island, built a tree house, and I was born in a tree house. So I was literally born in the outdoors. My name is Viet Pham. I'm a chef and restaurateur in Salt Lake City, Utah. I have a restaurant with my wife called Pretty Bird, and I've also been on a lot of cable network cooking and competition shows. As a chef, it's hard to get away from the kitchen. I try to get out as much as I can. Coming to the mountains with my wife, Alexis, it's a great way to just break away from the everyday hustle and bustle of the city life. The trees talk to you, the mountains talk to you. There's a lot of self-reflection. And that's one of the greatest pleasures of being in the outdoors. As we pack our things, one of our most important pieces is actually not a thing, it's our cat. And our cat's name is Theo. He's an adventure cat. He goes everywhere with us. He goes swimming, he goes hiking, he goes climbing, he does it all. So foraging is the act of going the outdoors and looking for edible plants. And it's like going on a treasure hunt. It's exciting, you know? Like, you'll be surprised how much edible things are out there. I think one of the reasons why I've become a successful cook or chef is because of my curiosity. You know, when you're curious, you kind of have this never-ending outlook on how to improve things. Growing up poor, I didn't have the luxury of having a nice spinning reel and rod. My parents actually went out and bought bamboo sticks, and they took us to a nearby pond, and we would catch little bullhead catfish and carp. That excitement has just stayed with me. You know, I tell a lot of people, if I wasn't cooking professionally, I would be a professional fisherman. So the dinner we're having tonight is a very simple dish. It's a dish of some roasted trout, some potatoes, and the way that I like to eat when I'm outdoors is just very simply, but using ingredients that really kind of evoke a sense of place and time. So when you have something like trout that we're cooking tonight, it's really important to crisp up that skin. I also want to perfume it with some local element from the mountains, such as spruce. So I stuffed the belly with some spruce, with some lemon slices, a little bit of thyme. And just something about cooking outdoors, being in the outdoors, it makes everything taste so much better.
You're welcome.
Spending times outdoors with my friends, my family, being able to cook outdoors, not just for myself, but for the people that I care about. Being up in the mountains, spending, you know, the night underneath the amazing stars. That's what I live for. That's what I look forward to every single day. And that's what makes the outdoors so special to me.